Hello traders, and welcome to this market overview video from FoxEx for the week ahead commencing on Monday the 9th of July. Let's jump straight into the charts and start as usual on the weekly time frame, and this week we've cherry picked the Kiwi and the Pound Oz and the gold chart, and let's take a closer look now and see why we've done that. As you can see here on the Kiwi, we have reached the vicinity of the end of the wealth crossover wave shown here. When we zoom out, we can see that price has responded very aggressively to this level in days gone by, and so that is additional confluence and therefore additional reasons to look to enter the market with a long position in the days and weeks ahead. For those of you who have been watching these market overviews consistently, by now hopefully you're starting to realize that there is a process. We look for a confluence of factors, not only the end of the wealth crossover wave, but we also look at the missile tracker line and also levels and current price action. The gold chart is a very similar situation. We can see here that we have just interacted very nicely with the end of the wealth crossover wave, and we have also touched the exact same level that price touched back here at the end of 2017. As you can see, last time price interacted with this level, it responded very aggressively to the upside, and so once again this is additional confluence and reasons to look for a potential long entry in the days and weeks ahead. Also traders, here on the weekly time frame, the Pound Oz looking very bullish indeed. We've got a great response off of the missile tracker line, and it's bounced nicely off the end of the wealth crossover wave. And when we zoom out, I think we mentioned this last week, we can see that we've got a nice level in here. And back at this point here and this point here, last time price interacted with this level, it moved very aggressively indeed. So this is a great setup and definitely one to keep an eye on in the days and weeks ahead. Moving on to the daily time frame now, and as you can see, the Euro USD has been moving sideways for quite some time now. However, we are now approaching the top of the wealth crossover wave, and we are close to the missile tracker line, and so this is one to keep an eye on for a potential short setup in the upcoming days. And finally, just want to draw your attention to the US 30 or the Dow. We've been talking about this instrument for quite a few days now, and as you can see, it has started to move quite aggressively in the last couple of days of last week to the upside, and this again is one to keep an eye on for the week ahead. Didn't quite reach the very tip of the wealth crossover wave, however price action moving quite aggressively in the last couple of days, and so therefore one to keep an eye on. Of course, there are a lot of other opportunities which are bubbling away in the financial markets on the various time frames, but these are the ones that we've cherry picked for the week ahead. We do invite you to share your views and insights into the financial markets, and you can connect with us here via our online chat room. And if you have any questions or you would like to get more familiar or fluent with our indicators, you can access our videos up here in the help tab. So that's it for the week ahead traders. We wish you all a good week, and we look forward to speaking with you in our chat room. This has been a market overview from FoxEx.